Okay guys, this is so weird. You can see that? I don't think you can see it. Wait. Okay. You can see that? It's all black. Basically it has been raining sand. It's raining sand in Guatemala here. So weird. You see this? It's all black. This is gonna tag my name. That is so weird. You cannot see anything. But basically it's all black. Oh well, you can see it. You can see that it's black. There. Wait. You see that? Ta-da! It's been raining that for a long time. Basically it's been that a volcano. You see that? A volcano just erupted. So yeah. So yeah guys, I just wanted to show you that. Bye.